Hi, and welcome back. I'm in my greenhouse again today because it's like -2 outside. A little bit cold to be planting, but we'll be doing that soon. Maybe tomorrow we'll go out there. Well, actually, I think maybe Ben might join us tomorrow, so that would be good to see him. What we're going to do instead is plant potatoes. And I know what you're going to say. Potatoes are a field crop, Mark. You can't plant potatoes until it gets really warm, end of May, early June. Like tomatoes, they're very sensitive to frost, and they don't like wet soil. They need really well-drained soil. And all of that's true, unless, of course, you have a potato planter like I have right here. That's what this is. And this is a great little product, actually. It is a Mark's Choice product from Home Hardware. But I'm not advertising, I'm just telling you, this is a really cool idea. You'll notice it's got a trap door. Look at this. So you see that? Open it up. What do you see inside? Yeah, red glow. You see some soil. And I'm about to shut the trap door. All right, just like so. It's Velcro, so it shuts very easily. And then I'm going to take a potato that I've sliced up, one with an eye on it. All right, you see the eye? That eye needs to exist. There's a couple eyes on this. And I'm going to put them in here. Is there a right side up? Not really. And I'm going to put 1, 2. By the way, you notice there was soil in there already, right? I pre-filled this in layers, and I'm doing it in a layer. I pre-filled it because I knew you were coming. All right, now, once I've got potatoes in there, I'm going to add some more soil, about 10 centimeters or so, a few inches, and then I'm going to leave it a couple of weeks, and then in 2 weeks I'm going to add another layer, and I'm going to add some more. And in the meantime, they will have grown. Use seed potatoes if you can. They work better than supermarket variety potatoes, and that's all there is to it, to grow some really cool potatoes indoors, which you can do now while it's warm. And if you want to get some heat into your greenhouse, here's what I use. It's so simple. It's just a ceramic heater. I think I paid $25 at that at the hardware store. Does the job. Keeps it nice and warm in here through the night. So we'll be back with more food gardening tips, help you get through this COVID-19 stuff. Thanks very much for joining me. Mark Cullen, markcullen.com.